Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about logistic manufacturing. In the world of manufacturing, logistics plays an important role in ensuring the smooth flow of material, goods, and information from one point to another. So what is logistic manufacturing? The end-to-end flow of materials, goods, and information in a manufacturing environment. The main goal of logistics in manufacturing is to ensure efficiency, timelines, and reliability in supply chain management. Why is logistics so important for manufacturing? Logistics is an integral part of supply chain management, which encompasses the entire process of sourcing raw materials, transforming them into finished goods, and delivering them to customers. Effective logistics ensures a smooth flow of materials, components, and finished products throughout the manufacturing process, optimizing production schedules and minimizing disruption. Logistics helps manufacturers manage their inventory effectively. By accurately forecasting demand and coordinating transportation and storage activities, logistics enables manufacturers to maintain optimal inventory levels. This reduces excess inventory costs, minimizes the risk of stockouts, and improves overall operational efficiency. Manufacturing often involves moving raw materials, components, and finished products across various locations. Logistics plays a crucial role in planning and executing transportation strategies, selecting appropriate modes of transportation such as trucks, ships, or planes, optimizing routes, and coordinating delivery schedules. Efficient transportation and distribution systems ensure timely availability of materials and products, reducing lead times and enhancing customer satisfaction. So, how does the sourcing of material works? The process begins with material sourcing. Raw materials are carefully selected, sourced, and transported to the manufacturing facility. It is important for a manufacturing company to manage material sourcing efficiently. This involves good planning, proper procurement, effective inventory management, and good collaboration with external suppliers to ensure the right materials are available at the right time. By understanding and managing material sources well, manufacturing companies can increase efficiency, reduce production costs, and optimize their supply chain. How is the overall procedure of how logistics happen? First off, the customer is browsing and picking up the item. Due to the technology and modernization, it's easier for the customer to pick or choose the item that they demand through websites. Then, the seller packs the item carefully. And then it goes to the warehouse for the shipment. After seller received the order, the demanded products will be packed for it to be shipped. The item is loaded and ready for the shipment. All the orders that being placed will often loaded and transported by container truck. Overall, logistics is crucial in manufacturing as it optimizes the movement of materials, manages inventory, controls costs, ensures quality, and ultimately facilitates customer satisfaction. By focusing on effective logistics management, manufacturers can enhance their competitiveness, streamline operations, and achieve sustainable growth. The shipment has arrived at the local facility. The shipment periods depends on where you ordered the products and where the manufacturer placed. After it reached the local facility, the item is going to be delivered according to your address. If you're having concern about your order, the customer can track the status of their order via the application you use to place the order or even from the delivery service website, and voila, the item has reached the destination. Inventory management. Inventory management in manufacturing logistics is the process of managing and controlling the inventory or stock of raw materials, components, semi-finished products, and finished products in a manufacturing supply chain. The main objective of inventory management is to ensure the availability of the right materials at the right time to support efficient production and minimize inventory cost. In this video, we bring up PT Mayora Indah Tbk. PT Mayora Indah Tbk is an Indonesian food manufacturing company that produces a wide range of consumer goods, including biscuits, candies, instant coffee, and other food products. While Mayora Indah is primarily known for its food manufacturing, it also engages in some technical manufacturing processes to support its operation. Material procurement. Mayora Indah procures raw materials required from packaging production, such as films, paperboards, inks, and adhesives from suppliers. By having its own technical manufacturing capabilities for packaging materials, Mayora Indah can maintain better control over the quality, availability, and customizations of packaging for its own products. This allows them to efficiently manage their supply chain, ensure consistency in branding, and deliver products in attractive and functional packaging to customers. Conclusion. In manufacturing, logistics is the backbone that ensures materials and products flow seamlessly. By adopting efficient logistic practices, manufacturers can achieve higher productivity and consumer satisfaction. It is really important to pay attention closely in logistic management in order for it to be succeed.